These are the latest modifications to this excellent little Chinese linishing machine. I cannot bog down the 950 watt motor, but belt slip was a problem. I machined down the 40mm diameter aluminium roller and fitted 60mm diameter rubber rollers and fitted extra bearings to the guide spindles so the machine will now run on a 50mm wide belt. I also fitted lever arms to the tensioner and also the angular adjustment. Made and fitted a full width table and an ice cream container for water. I also made a simple drill sharpening jig. There is very little belt slip and the machine will cope easily with heavy grinding pressure. All in all, an excellent little machine. Weighs about 7 kilos, so it can be picked up with 2 fingers and put away. And very little belt slip at the moment, just a few niggles to tweak out.